Hello guys, in this tutorial we will see a different kind of star and number pattern that will go in the reverse order. Suppose we enter the row size 5, it will show 5 star 4 3 2 1, and here in the second image in place of star we have the number pattern. Now without wasting time we start the coding for the same. Now here we are in the PyCharm editor, and by using this statement user will enter number of row. Okay, and then for getting star or number pattern, as usual you have to use loop. So I am taking first for loop for I variable, and the range for that is very important. So as usual the range is here starting with 0. Next value I will give, that will be equal to the row size value. So it is doing with 0 to r. Suppose my input is 3, so it will be repeated for value 0 1 and 2, means 3 times. Next, one more for loop we need here, and here also the range is very important. As usual it will go from 0, and here I am taking r because in the first attempt we have to get the star, and suppose the enter value is 3, then we have to get 3 star. So that's the reason we have to use that row size r. Then we need to get 2 star, then in the next row we need to get 1 star. So every time that value of row size should be decreased. Okay, so first we need here output statement, and we are printing here star value, and we need to give spacing between each star. So here end equal to, in double quote you have to give space, and here as I told you after printing the star, so here it will print 3 times because for the 0th iteration it is repeated for 0 to 2, means it will print 3 star. Then we will shift into the new line. So for shifting into the new line we will just write here print statement, and at the same time this row value should be decreased, means row equal to that r minus 1. So what happen in the next attempt, this value will be 2. Got it? So in the next execution of star it is repeated for 2 times, means for 0 and 1. Then again it is decreased by 1, so next time you will get only 1 star. So we just check the output here. So you can observe this is our output: 3 star, 2 star and 1 star. For avoiding your confusion, I am taking some output statements so that you can understand the logic clearly. This is for variable I, and here I will do it for the j. I can take as a first statement. Now you can observe, you should forget about this star. You have to just focus on the I and j. So in the process of I is 0, j is repeated for 0, 1 and 2. So that's the reason we got here 3 star. And when the j is starting with the 1, and here when the I is starting with 1, j will get the value for 0 and 1. So that's why we got 2 star. Why? Because r is reduced by 1. When the I is 2, j will be executed only one time, so we got 1 star, because the j value will be reduced by 1. Why it is reducing? Because we use statement r equal to r minus 1. So in this way it is working out. So I hope, dear student, you understood this tutorial. So thanks for watching this. Thank you.